Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to quickly format hard disk completely including all the partition in Windows 11. Type format hard disk in Windows search bar, click create and format hard disk. Find your hard disk. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. In my case, my hard disk is placed on disk 1. Type select space, disk space, 1. Type list space, disk. Star mark indicates disk 1 is selected. Type clean. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type assign. Type exit, type exit. Right-click hard disk, click format. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.